What's up, guys? Welcome to Gunner and Nicole. My name is Gunner.
I'm Nicole.
And we're a couple that travels in a school bus. We do couples videos, travel videos, and game videos. Today, Nicole's gonna be trying foods that I grew up with. So I'm gonna be making like 3 or 4 different foods that I grew up with that aren't your typical food. It's not necessarily something that maybe you grew up with either. So these might be weird, but I'm going to be making them for Nicole, and she's gonna be trying them, and we'll see what she thinks about them. We're gonna be heading to Winco. We're gonna grab all the materials. We'll come back and we'll start making the foods.
Yeah.
Do you think you like them?
Yeah, I feel like I will.
You like most foods.
I'm not very picky.
All right, let's go.
Oh, it's our water tank.
So we got 3 main dishes. One is kind of a lunch slash dinner. The next is breakfast. And then the last is kind of a dessert also. We ate it for breakfast. First one we're gonna do is going to be eggs and hot dogs. So this might be more of the common one people eat for breakfast, but
Not totally out there, but
yeah, it's not completely out there, but it's definitely not your normal eggs, I guess.
that's hot.
Wrong. Grabbing the right pan.
There we go.
Very first thing you want to do is cutting the hot dogs. So
Is it a very particular way of cutting them?
yes, actually. That they would dice these into like little quarters.
Interesting.
Should
Lengthwise, huh?
Cut it down lengthwise.
Interesting.
Like this,
okay.
and then cut it down this way. Yep.
Oh, I see.
And go like this.
Okay. This is very satisfying to watch.
Yeah. Cool. So the very first thing, put them in the pan, saute them up, brown them. Don't put the whole package. That's what it looks like right there. Maybe a little bit of butter.
This is sizzling up over here. You need some help?
Okay.
Did you smell that? Wait. Did you just smell that?
Yes, I smelled it to make sure there was no soap on it. Most of the time we'll eat it with like ketchup.
That's reasonable too. Eggs and ketchup go together.
It does go together.
You said ketchup.
Ketchup. Yeah,
So we'll let
ketchup.
those brown for like.
How do you say it? Ketchup?
Yeah.
Ketchup or ketchup? Comment down below. Ketchup or ketchup? Coco, ketchup or ketchup? She's like, I'll take both.
Alright, so we're gonna let those brown.
Okay.
I'm gonna crack 2 eggs.
You crack an egg with one hand.
Yes,
Oh, I can.
Let's see it.
Oh.
Struggling over here. There we go.
2 eggs right there,
Unwhisked.
unwhisked. And take this off heat. Perfect. We don't want them to overcook, so we're gonna keep. So we just start mixing. Break the yolk up. Kind of scrape it all in, and then back on the heat.
Are you doing the whole 20-second on, 20-second off thing?
Exactly. 20 seconds on, 20 to 30 seconds on, 20 seconds to 30 seconds off. Because you don't want the eggs to burn. There you go.
Thank you.
Presentations.
Like a 2 out of 10.
Okay.
Smell? Smells like a childhood. Taste? Tastes pretty much how you would expect hot dogs and eggs to taste. That's actually really good.
Yeah.
I could totally snack on this. This reminds you of like someone like Micah
Yeah.
who's like freshly moved out, doesn't know how to cook,
Oh
but is
my
hungry. Would eat this. This is like something I would have made in high school.
Really? It's definitely childhood for me. Yep.
Good,
That's
huh?
exactly what I remember.
Okay, so you're making the rice with cinnamon and milk. Did you used to eat it hot or cold?
Call my mom.
Can't remember what you used to eat.
On camera. I want to
Your
say.
childhood.
I want to say it was warmed up a little bit.
Okay.
Let's ask the mother though.
Oatmeal-ish kind of. Yeah.
Yo, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
So I'm making the rice, cinnamon and milk right now.
Okay.
Did we used to eat it like slightly warmed up or no?
You can. I like to eat it cold, but
Okay, let's do cold. All right, sounds good.
I mean, it tastes good warm too.
Okay, well, let's try it cold first and then we'll warm it up. All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
All right, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. Awesome. All right,
Cool.
so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this rice right here,
Okay.
because this is how we used to eat it when we were growing up. We would have leftover rice that we didn't know what to do with, and we would eat it for breakfast or dessert in a bowl. So
Cool.
let's put this in a bowl. We got rice right there,
Okay.
right? Lactose-free milk because I'm
course.
lactose intolerant. This one's a really easy one. Spoon.
It's like rice cereal.
And then cinnamon sugar.
Yes. The good stuff.
I feel like I may have put a little too much. It's kind of like horchata, you know, it's more eaten like cereal rather than anything else.
Presentation, probably 2 out of 10. I'm actually really excited about this one because it has sugar and cinnamon in it.
Yeah.
Smell, 20 out of 10.
Ooh, yeah.
Flavor, I almost blew on it like.
Yeah. Kind of want a good amount of milk and stuff too in it. She doesn't like that raw rice.
Not a fan of it cold. The rice is too hard and it like tastes too grainy.
This is exactly how I ate it though. When I
Really?
was younger, yeah.
Yeah, I do not like it cold.
Yeah, let's do.
Like it's not that the flavor's bad, it's just the texture I really don't like.
Now, we'll warm it up for like, what, 30 seconds? 10 minutes?
Should be enough.
Definitely better. All right, switch.
Okay. That's way better. I like it warm because then it tastes more like a rice pudding.
Bake until they're a little crispy. You can even
This is a little mini pizza that we used to eat when I was younger, made out of English muffins. We're gonna take these English muffins, we're gonna put them in the oven, we're gonna take them out, we're gonna put the sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni on it, throw it back into the oven until everything's melted and kind of, you know, warmed up and on place on the English muffin.
Cool.
And then, bam, you got little individual pizzas and just lay them out. Doesn't have to be the prettiest. Pop.
So English muffins. Holes.
Yes. We're gonna preheat this for 350. I'm gonna throw these in real quick, top, while those are baking.
I love pepperoni.
So you guys can kind of get it. We got cheese. And we got the sauce.
I was like, wait, no.
You gotta give you a little look.
Oh my god.
Just kidding.
You're gonna pour the whole thing. That's like, what?
They look decent to me, I think. Ow! I literally just like grabbed underneath.
Oh my god. My Lanta, Linda.
Hey, Birmingham. All right, they're ready. Probably shouldn't burn myself again. Look at those.
Those look pretty.
We're ready. All right, so now we put sauce on each one.
Okay.
Plan. Cheese. Now put a nice generous.
Dollop of mat.
Now I remember my mom used to put like 2 or 3 each. She put them right there.
Wait.
It might be actually.
You missed
actually,
one.
those do look white. We are now done. Put it back on the top and let it bake for till the cheese melts. So now we wait. All right, we are finished with the third
Bean.
item.
Ooh, those look good.
Grab this guy. Bam. And that, folks, is my childhood on a plate. I hope it tastes good. All right, do you want to try it first?
Yes.
All right.
Presentation, 10 out of 10.
Presentation.
Smell, 10 out of 10.
Ooh, that's what I like to hear, baby. That cheese factor right there. Look at that.
This is a brilliant idea. This is 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So good.
This is really good. So far, I dig your childhood snacks.
Yeah, this is bomb. This is easily my favorite of the 3 so far. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button so you can see more of this type of content. Just wanted to let you guys know you can get personalized shout outs on Cameo from us, Gunner and Nicole, for birthdays, for special events, for holidays, for whatever you want. So click the link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.